If I wake up tomorrow with 0 subscribers and I had to start a brand new channel in 2026, this is my exact blueprint I would follow to get views faster, grow quickly, and monetize without posting 100 videos, hoping that one will go viral someday. But the truth is, most small YouTubers fail not because their content is bad, but because they start their channel the wrong way. So today, I am going to walk you through the same YouTube strategy I would use if I had to start a brand new channel from scratch in 2026. The very first steps I would have done is you need to choose a channel strategy before posting anything. Yes, most small YouTubers start by asking, what video do I want to make? But the question should be, what video do viewers are already searching for? So that is where you need to pick a strategy that has demand. Like example, educational videos like how to and tutorial kind of videos. Make sure that your videos are search-based topic with high audience pain points. Solving one problem for one type of viewer can actually grow your channel. Just for example now, instead of lifestyle, why not choose YouTube growth for beginners? A clear transformation is equals to faster growth. So if people cannot understand your channel in just 5 seconds, that means the algorithm can't elder because the algorithm is still confused of who to push your video and people that was meant to watch you. The second thing you need to start doing if you should start a YouTube channel is research what already gets views. Make sure that before creating any video, find what is working right now, that when you upload it, when you record, when you edit and post on your channel, you get views. So how are you going to find those things? Use YouTube search bar suggestion. Like once you go on your YouTube, search a particular topic, then sort by popularity on channel in your niche. Yes, search for topics or videos that have the views. Look at videos that are posted within the last 3 to 6 months. Yes, study their title plus their thumbnail of viral videos. What do I mean? Make sure that you study the type of title they are using and the type of thumbnail that make their videos to go viral. Then ask yourself, what problem are they solving? Plus, what keywords keep showing up? Like what type of keywords that people are always searching? Why did viewers click? Yes, just like this very video of mine on how to get more views. You can see the search, YouTube search, what people are searching to get this video, how to get views, how to increase views, and rest of them. Let me give you an example. If 3 creators on this YouTube blow up with, let me say, how to get more views or how to any type of video, then your version of that topic has a higher chance of getting pushed to. Yes, so don't just copy, you need to model the demand. You need to model what the viewers want just from those type of videos that are going viral for those creators. Now the beautiful part is you need to create a clickable video, a clickable title plus a thumbnail first. Yes, this is what most creators ignore. YouTube doesn't push videos that people don't click, because if they keep pushing videos that people don't click, that is a bad market for them. So they need to promote their platform by posting videos that people want to click. So how are you going to build videos that people want to click? You need to focus on curiosity and clarity. Yes, emotional promises, short thumbnail text, just like 3 to 5 words max, just like this very video of mine. The thumbnail is very simple and easy to read, even both on laptop or phone. Any device you are using to watch it is very simple and is attractive. Then you need to give a face expression or a bold shape. If it's faceless, you need to use a bold icons or arrow. Before recording your video, you need to ask yourself, if this wasn't my video, would I click it? Let's just say that your video is another person's video and you scroll to that video. Will you that is watching me click that video? That is what you need to ask yourself. If the answer is you are not sure, the viewer will scroll away. So you need to hold them. You need a title, you need a thumbnail that is scroll stopping, that will make them never to scroll up. They will want to click on that video. Okay, now the fourth thing you need to know if you are starting a YouTube channel, be it 2025, 2026, 2027, or whenever you wake up, is keep viewers watching. That is using a story-based retention. The main goal after the click is retention, holding your video, make them stay longer. So that is why you need to start your intro immediately your video is open. Immediately they click on your video to watch it. Use this storytelling structure. The very first thing is your hook plus this result. Yes, like I said before, you need to use a short intro. Your intro should not be up to 1 minute. Your intro should be under 30 seconds. You are done with your intro. Yes, make sure that you fasten your value. You give your content value immediately. No longer talking. Stop saying hi guys, welcome to my channel on today this and that. Just start with it. When you look at creators like Ali Abda, Mr. Beast, and other creators, Dandy creators, you will see that they are starting with their video immediately. They will give intro, but their intro is under 30 seconds. Then the next seconds they will pick up with their content value. Okay, so most creators don't know this, but this is where growth actually begins. All right, so if you want to start this particular channel, these are the steps you need to follow so that you can grow a unique and organic channel. That one sentence alone can keep viewers watching. The longer they stay, the more the algorithm recommends your video. So the fifth one is upload for search plus suggestion. Yes, this is how you make YouTube push your content 24/7. Do this. Make sure that you are adding SEO keywords in your title, your description, and your tags. Yes, make sure that every keyword that is applied on that video has a word, and SEO is a search engine optimized word, keywords. Write a description that includes the same search term viewers use, just like how to get more views on YouTube the smart way. Can you see people are searching for how to get more views on YouTube? Then I use my own uniqueness the smart way. Can you see it? So make sure that every video that is required to use chapters to help viewer satisfaction. Add your end screen, add your cards. Just for example, if your target keywords is how to grow on YouTube 2026, make sure it appears in the first line of the description. Yes, that is where the YouTube can pick those videos through the SEO keywords and start pushing them. All right, before I forgot, make sure that once you are making your video, make sure that all those keywords are spoken in your videos. You are speaking it out from your mind, your mouth through your video. YouTube will start suggesting your videos to people actively searching for that particular topic. This is how channels grow while you are at your home sleeping like a frog. All right, so the bonus tips is that you need to be consistent with smart testing, and you need to be strategic. Do not post randomly. What do I mean? It's not today you post gaming, tomorrow you post cooking, tomorrow you post about gym. Make sure that any particular video you are posting for the first time on your new channel, make sure that that is what you are growing that channel with. So that is why you need to pick the niche, the topic, everything, be consistent, and upload with strategy. Now you have my exact YouTube blueprint I would use if I had to start YouTube over again in 2026, but I cannot start it. But having a strategy means nothing if you don't take action today. So if you're starting a new channel this 2026, or any day you wake up, or struggling to grow the one you have, hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up so you don't miss on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.